Hello guy, welcome to the Explain Lab, my channel. Today we're going to learn about something that is transforming our world, artificial intelligence or AI. We'll travel through its history, see how it has changed, what makes it special, and how it affects our lives every day. Let's begin. AI did not suddenly appear overnight. Let's look at how it all started. 1943. Scientists McCulloch and Pitts tried to build a simple model of the brain using mathematics and circuits. It was the first time someone tried to describe how our brain might work using machines. 1936. A mathematician named Alan Turing designed the Turing Machine, a simple computer model that could solve mathematical problems. His ideas are the foundation for nearly all computers and AI today. 1956. The real birth of AI. This happened at the Dartmouth Conference, where major scientists like John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky met and first used the term artificial intelligence. This meeting kickstarted AI as a subject for serious study. The first AI programs tried to make computers play games like chess and checkers. Arthur Samuel's checkers program actually learned to improve over time. Logic theorist and general problem solver. These were famous computer programs that could solve problems by reasoning, similar to humans. The Lisp programming language was invented by John McCarthy. It became the favorite language for AI research. Fun fact: special computers called Lisp machines were even built to run AI programs. 1960s. As challenges grew, scientists saw that early AI programs worked well with simple problems, but failed with more realistic real-world situations. Computers of that time struggled with complex tasks, and neural networks were too simple to solve tough problems. This period of disappointment, when interest and funding decreased, is called the AI winter. But AI did not stop. Researchers started looking at new directions. Scientists started building expert systems computer programs that used if this then that rules to copy the decision-making of doctors, engineers, and other experts. Two examples. Dendrol helped analyze complex chemicals. Mycin gave advice for diagnosing diseases. These expert systems could do specific tasks well, but needed a lot of hard work to add all the knowledge step by step. In the 1980s, scientists discovered how to make better neural networks with more layers, allowing computers to solve much more complex problems. Machine learning became a hot topic. Computers started learning from data instead of following only fixed rules. By the 1990s, AI started to use mathematics and statistics to handle uncertainty, making predictions, planning, and improving decisions. AI started to use methods to deal with uncertainty and ambiguous information. For example, Bayesian networks can help in predicting when we do not have all the facts. Utility theory became important, how to choose the best solution, not just the obvious one. Now, AI could solve realistic and complex problems, moving closer to true intelligence. Deep learning. The biggest jump in AI happened when we built deep neural networks, huge structures with many layers. Computers now learn to understand speech, recognize faces, drive cars, and play games, all by finding patterns in huge amounts of data. The need for manual feature setting is reduced. Computers find useful details on their own. AI is everywhere now. Speech recognition, planning, robotics, natural language processing, healthcare, finance, and agriculture. AI is not science fiction anymore. It's a part of daily life. AI is different from standard programming. Conventional programming tells the computer exactly what to do step by step. Artificial intelligence solves problems too complex for step-by-step instructions. It learns, searches for solutions, and works with incomplete data. For example, you can write a normal program to add numbers, but to recognize faces in photos you need AI. Human intelligence. Humans are creative, use common sense, have intuition, can understand feelings and context. AI's strengths. Works super fast, analyzes huge amounts of data, remembers tons of information. AI's weaknesses. Lacks common sense, may struggle with different types of knowledge, raises questions about ethics and privacy. The human brain contains about 1 trillion nerve cells, connected in complex ways. The computer has billions of transistors, works very fast, but processes steps one after another. AI is used all around you. Postal services sorting letters, banks recognizing handwriting, customer service voice systems, cameras detecting faces, computer game players, language translation, and web personalization. AI has traveled from imagination and early experiments to real systems that help doctors, play games, drive cars, and much more. The journey is far from over. AI is changing fast, and your generation will be building its future. Remember, AI learns from data, improves by experience, and solves real-world problems. It affects everything from science and medicine to business, farming, and daily life. But we must keep thinking about how to use AI wisely and ethically. Thank you for joining today's class. In the next lessons, we will learn about specific AI techniques, how machines learn, and how you can apply some of these ideas in your own projects. Keep asking questions, keep learning, and stay curious.